Yo, what up guys? Welcome back to the vlog. I'm out here at Yap today with homeboy Trev. He's about to get some clips. We're gonna meet up for kayak in a little bit, so check it out. First try. Fucking lines, my guy. Alright guys, Trev got a few clips, but it is way too hot out here, so we're gonna go grab some Jimmy John sandwiches from Kayak and then head to the lake and then probably come back in a little bit. Check it. Damn, look at the boat, shorty. Huh? Love you long time.
Dude, it's hot as hell. You should see the line I just got. Let's see it.
Smack the lens.
Insane in the brain.
Insane in the brain.
AC coming out.
Thanks, princess.
I got a half a blunt in.
Oh, do you?
Yeah, I saved it for you.
Flat rail sesh. Kayak gonna get smoked by a bus. Alright, these boys are warmed up now, so we're gonna take the rail setup up to a school down the street, have a little bit more fun with it. Let's see what they got. Check it. Knocked the bolt out too.
And you're dropping bolts.
Yo.
Yeah, with the fucking tire bomb.
Crew BMX.com/shop. Get you one of these. We're back at Yap, gonna get a little bit more of a sesh going. Check it.
Standing up, dog.
And he's gone. There goes Kayak. Oh, he crank flipped out of that.
Can you jump that box right there? The big box? The big box?
Alright guys, that's the end of the session for today. Thanks for watching the video. Make sure to share and subscribe for more videos. Also get on capitalcrewbmx.com/shop and check out some of the merch we got going. Peace guys.